Yeah. Oh, Hydra Discord. Hydra.
Holy
I'm
Hello.
confused.
It's because if Kilo joins the Discord first, the Discord channel would be based off of Kilo's ping, and so then
We don't want shit or ping.
in fucking communication ping. So that's why then your ping is super high in the Discord channel. Because we always have to yell at him when we play League.
Poor guy. Life.
Wait, what were we playing? Deadlock or Lockdown Protocol?
Lockdown.
Protocol.
Not Kangaroo being like, I've got a second job, blah blah blah.
Did that bitch ass say no?
No, he's coming.
Okay.
I had no idea that
Anybody have a second person or one person?
I think me and David might have a cousin is what we say.
Oh yeah.
M.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Sounds good.
I had no idea that
never mind.
the certs
Shit,
were
never
all
mind.
shared
She
across all the departments, by the way.
What does that even mean? What are you even saying?
Like how
What brought you to talk about this? What brought this up?
because I was thinking about mass stuff all day, like what I can do.
Oh.
And then Snow was
You
telling
trying
me
to
on
be
his
an
top
LSPD
character. Yeah, well that's the plan. So I was like thinking, what can I do? Like I thought,
Bless
oh,
your heart.
I can give the PD like LSPD money for cargo fast unit. And then Snow was telling me how it's like, you know, cert stuff is like shared across all departments. And that it's not separated. So it's like, damn, so I was gonna supply the LSPD with a bunch of cars.
I'm not launching the game yet, by the way, until everyone's ready, because I don't want to have to deal with muting, unmuting, so that I don't hear double and...
That's valid.
Yep.
Does Kangaroo have this Oh, there he is.
Kem, your like reactive thing, Fuji thing picture, so cute.
Oh, you like it?
I love it. I'm looking at it right
They're so
now.
cute. I made them. I got them for Chili Silent, Mobo, and David and myself. They're so cute. They're all like.
Oh, so fuck everyone else.
Well, I mean, yes.
Oh, what is no?
technically.
Oh, so see, I told you she's fake. I told you she's fake.
I mean,
She's not fake. You're fake. Don't talk about the queen like that.
Oh hell no, she ain't nothing. She ain't nowhere near a queen.
Three. Okay, so we have 6. We're waiting for Lottie and one more.
Loudy's needs 20 minutes, so we're gonna play without Loudy, and then David and Ange has
Oh, she has a meeting at 10, so she can't come until at least after. So sorry.
Okay, we'll find another person. I'm sure there's people that want to play.
We just at here or something.
Yeah, we can.
Let me change my... Oh, perfect. That works.
Dun, dun, dun.
My friend JJ said he'd play, so that gives us another one.
I'm launching the game, but I'm not joining.
This game is so fun. It's got that addiction Among Us first had.
Yep. I like how they went the route of there's no like foolproof way of doing tasks. Like, hold on, this shit's super loud. Like even the computer stuff. and how even without anybody doing something, like you can't just go back and forth on your own doing it, press the button and immediately leave. You have to wait because it could fail.
You might have to drag that person, by the way, if that's your friend
I
too.
will.
Okay.
Yeah.
What were you saying, Kirby?
There you go. I like that there's an aspect of like there's no surefire way to do certain things. Like you can't run into the computer and like send a file and immediately leave because the file thing could fail. Like even with no imposter fucking it up,
Yeah, you have to wait.
you can't just press the button and leave and go to the other computer and immediately leave once you accept, go back, rinse, repeat.
And then
You have to
analysis,
sit there and wait.
You have to clean the things you use.
Yep, there's so many different areas for like you to get fucked over, like organically, and not just somebody waiting at a certain point and just mass killing everyone.
I can't wait to third imposter.
You're fucking dead, insta dead.
You're just gonna die, and then we lose because we don't finish tasks because there's one person left with little time. I think I might go insane if I get employee like 10 times in a row like last time, and one of you bitches hit a box every round, and I have to search head and toe.
Honestly, check the bodies. Half the time they're hidden in a dead body. I know you can't see. I'm not actually doing anything in the game. So, once we're in the lobby with everybody else, I'll take off the intermission.
Dude, Kina is actually the funniest person on this planet.
What happened?
We were all logging off, and I said, "I love you guys. Hold down the 4, okay? You're gonna do amazing." Kina goes, "No."
Oh
She's
wow.
like,
Oh
"No."
wait, hold on. DuPont.
She knows.
DuPont finally texted Rhodes back saying she's still interested. So now Rhodes got to approach Shift 1 like, hey yo, DuPont wants a job.
It was just so fucking funny. She goes, "No," and then Lucas goes, "Wait, Charlie, what? It's gonna be okay." And she goes, "Don't leave me, please."
Aw.
No, they literally all the time when it gets to this point of shift 1 and like everybody leaves, everybody that's on is always like, "Please don't leave us," like because
Yeah.
they have so little people around. It's so sad.
Question: is there a way to skip the tutorial?
Yeah, Q
You
and
just don't
then
do it.
on your tablet.
Also, do I just click quit the tutorial?
Yeah, it'll take you
Yeah.
to just a regular lobby. Add one. Who's gonna make the lobby? Put your Steam code in the chat in the general.
I can. Give me a second. Well, I can just do it. I'll invite some people, and then they should be able to invite you. Like David should be able to invite you, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. David, are you not online? Maybe.
This bitch loves to be inconspicuous.
No.
Same.
You don't want to be clocked.
I'm online. I don't even know how to go offline.
Please. That's what they all say.
Chat, we're not in the lobby yet. I'm in the
I wish
normal
I was
default
joking about
lobby,
that.
but not in the lobby with everybody else.
I literally don't know where to go to check that.
Right, bro.
Where do you check if you're online or not?
Like where you go to add friends, I think. Something like on the little like pop out tab,
Friends?
skinny one.
I'm
Oh,
joining.
the pop out tab. So
Yeah.
shift tab. And I
Wait,
think
do we
I'm
have one more or
online.
no? Or should we just play with 7?
We'll play with 7 until we get another person.
Okay.
Okay, I've got
Timone's
all
the
of
heifer
that.
that's not online.
Girl.
I can't move my mouse in game. I don't know what happened.
Like it's slow or you literally can't. It's not working.
No, I can't. I can't move left or right. I can
Dude,
click.
you're not in the game.
fuck you mean I'm not in the game? I see
No,
yellow.
not you. I said David.
Yes, I am.
Oh, who you talking to?
Oh my god, my
No.
friends are fading. Stop it.
It doesn't show you.
What about now?
No.
Okay, let me close it.
Kilo, are we Steam friends?
Yes. Do I need to be online for you to invite me?
Yes.
Can I get reinvited? Okay, my mouse works
can.
now.
You have to be online for me to invite you.
I'm good.
Yeah, I can't invite you,
Let's
David. I can only
go
invite you to watch
here.
since it doesn't show you're online.
Well, can't he just click your name and then join?
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, let's
I'm
see if we go
reopening
through
it.
I'm going to mute Discord so that I don't hear double if
You're
people
good.
talk
It's
game.
okay.
You need to talk to me talking game. What do you want?
How do I pick
Oh.
things up?
How do you what?
Loser.
How do you pick things up?
I think you just left click.
Oh, okay. So the little point.
Right click's point, left click would grab. Is it E to drop?
Yeah.
I think so. And then F to put your hands up.
Inventory? Oh, yeah, that's the F inventory, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with me. Who dis? Kimoni, is that you?
Yes, 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 yes.
Alright. Is there any way to get out of first person? So like.
No. Oop. What up? What?
Touching tips.
Oh.
Hello, kangaroo. You're already getting fucking called a creepo and
Huh?
roleplay. Don't make it an IRL,
What?
you weirdo.
What
Oh
the
my
hell?
gosh.
Oh
hell
my god.
no.
Oh my god.
Damn. What a freak.
What are we waiting on? Wait. Where's... Oh, there she is. Where the fuck is David?
He's having issues joining. Oh, nah, I got pink again. He's gonna be pissed.
Oh. I want you to know, it ain't gonna be me. We're just waiting on David to join chat, and then we should be good. Oh. I think she's restarting the lobby. . 'Cause 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 ' Mm.
I think we have
Just
everyone.
around the people.
I'm definitely in Discord now. I think that's everyone. 7, 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
it's
4,
good.
5,
7.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Alright.
Starting?
All right.
Let's go. Have fun. Friendly. Friendly.
Friendly.
No, the blue base ain't friendly.
I'm friendly.
Oh.
Oh, someone's fucking dead.
Hello? Blue just fucking pulled the trigger on the fucking... Who died? Oh, nobody had it. Nobody must have had it in their hand. They just pulled the thing and it blew up. Blue's a psycho.
I wanted to get that shit out.
You blew up the thing.
Listen, you know that's valid.
Don't talk to me, okay? Do not talk to me.
What task you got?
What?
Wait,
what
we don't
task?
even
I'm
we
fine.
don't even
We
need any of
those.
these
Yes.
things.
I know. That's what
Let's find the
was
vents.
looking,
Let's
I'm
find the
leaving.
vents.
Well,
Back
I gotta
here.
find a screwdriver.
There was some over here.
I had a screwdriver, but I dropped it because I picked up the fucking dynamite that you fucking dropped because I was like, oh hell no, this bitch just blew some bitches up.
Yeah, I did. And oh wait, hold on.
What?
Filter.
This is one we need to do, I think, right?
Yeah, this is the filter.
No. Oh, analysis.
Filter
Fuck, I did the wrong one.
analysis and,
Who?
That's the plan.
No, Matt, no. I know you're fucking fat. Maddie, Matt's the baddie.
What the fuck?
Oh,
You heard
yep,
me,
that's
Sheriff.
flying. Flying out
Matt's slow
fast.
voice.
You can hear guilty, boy.
I need a
Try to fill
screwdriver.
filter.
I've got one. Yellow has one too. Paper, go.
I'm going analysis. Where's green? This way.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
I'm scared. Green and white. Sus.
You sus. No, you.
What are you doing
You
here?
very sussy.
I'm watching cameras. Oh! Oh, you scared the fuck out of me! Ah, I'm leaving. Holy fuck!
Real sussy. Real.
Hey, we need
sussy.
to we need to do analysis. I don't think anyone's doing it. We're so fucked.
Even for me watching.
White, red, green, blue. Which one are you getting?
I'm not getting anything here.
Oh, that's sus.
One in here. Maybe it was here.
What's the second one?
White. They're both white. Oh, you guys have
None.
analysis too, huh? This sucks.
Yep. I need.
What other one?
Oh fuck, we need more containers. Who's got the containers?
I've got one in my hand.
Grab white, grab white, grab white.
What if somebody else has grabbed white?
What? It doesn't matter. We can do it.
It doesn't matter. What the fuck are you saying?
Because
right
they're
now?
all just one. They're all just one. So put it there. Put it here in that thing and then click it. I'm gonna go clean this. All right. Go put that. I'm gonna clean this. Oh wait, hold on. Which ones do we need after white? Blue, green.
I'm scared of you a little bit.
I'm grabbing these two that are being cleaned.
I'll
Need
take
green,
one,
blue.
you take the other. Green, blue.
Where's my? Give it back.
No. I just put mine in. Someone
Oh,
took it.
oh
what
no,
you
no,
just
I
did.
meant my screwdriver. Sorry, it was on the
Oh, I
floor.
didn't take it.
Cam, which one are you getting?
The other, whichever one you don't get. Which one are you getting?
Okay, I'm grabbing green. Blue's over here. Blue's over here to the right. All right, I'm gonna start processing. We're doing so good.
Yeah, something about there was rice missing though, so I don't know how the pizza bitches are going.
Oh,
The pizza's all done pretty much.
you scared the fuck out of me.
Yeah, spiky one.
Kangaroo's badass.
Okay, put the blue. Right here.
Turtle.
Nice. All right. Kazushi, what do they need? Oh, fuck.
They're sort of done. They've got the
Ah! Oh, God.
Oh!
Insert rice.
They were done.
Oh, fuck. What do we need? I don't know what we need!
We need the W.
Brown tuna W.
W2.
Oh, W's
right.
there. Brown. That was messed up.
You should have fucked.
I'm so sorry.
I got my kills. What's
I'm
stupid?
so sorry.
Have you ever seen me be that fucking quiet? Like, come on.
David and I were so quiet.
Fuck
just giggling
you!
I was just pressing buttons. I didn't know what I'm doing.
Where the fuck is Tim? I said, hey,
Don't
bitch.
talk to me,
And then
bitch.
bow,
Shut the
bow,
fuck
bow.
up. Don't talk to me, bitch. No, I turn around. Not
GG, go
your
next.
ass.
GG, go next.
Listen, Angie was trying to do the pizza.
Friendly, bitch. I'm gonna get this.
Friendly until I find C4.
Oh, fuck. You know what? Doesn't matter. Black, brown, tuna, blue, and white. We need 2 containers, blue and white. Oh. Oh. I'm doing the black rice.
Did you just hear that? That was 3.
Oh. Oh, maybe it's pressure. You're acting real sus.
Oh, I'm muted. I don't even know what I'm doing. How am I sus?
You just are. Oh. Oh. Help! Help! Help, it's pink! Fuck, do I need white? Blue. Oh, green. Green's coming after me. Oh my god, I don't remember. Fuck, which one do I need? Oh god. Oh god. Chat, which one do I need? What color? Fuck. Oh, fuck me. YOLO. The wrong fucking way. Please be this. Blue.
So I actually don't know.
I keep going the wrong way. I'm making the fucking pizza.
Are you working? You're working. She's almost done. Come on, Kim, let's go do the dinner, bro.
Who killed JJ? You
I
killed
did.
JJ?
I did. Yeah, he started stabbing me.
Why?
No, he started stabbing me.
Okay, so then it was JJ and Kilo. Okay, let's hurry up and... Alright, let's just get it quick then. Alright.
Brown, shrimp, white. Okay. Oh my god, I'm griefing. Holy fuck. None of the computers are done! I can't fucking believe this. I keep going the wrong way! These bitches are useless. Hello?
Medical's done. Medical's done.
Go to office. Are you almost done with this?
Yep, it's finishing now and I'm putting it on the table. Which computer?
This bitch gotta run the camera. He's gotta run the camera.
Oh, we have to accept when it gets there. Oh, we got it! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Kem, you have.
I was trying to get her
Wait,
yogurt.
Kem,
like,
we have to accept it. You left the computer. I had to click the yes button to finish.
I turned around and ran, started running back, and I was like, wait, I need to go
Shut
back and
up.
press
It wasn't you who got that?
No, it wasn't.
Bro.
I took off running to you because I didn't know, like, if you didn't do it, then I would, like,
Yeah, who were
You
the bad
know?
people?
Me, I couldn't find the gun, and Curvy killed me.
and you, Kilo, no?
Who killed
No,
me though?
No.
I don't understand.
Killing people.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't
Oh.
me.
It was yellow.
No, it wasn't.
Was it?
Fucking sus.
Then it had to be, was it Angie?
No,
There's
I
kangaroo.
think it's an
It was me and
employee
Yellow.
at the top right.
Oh, it's you and Kangaroo. Okay, so it's fucking you and Kangaroo fucking killer ass.
Fucking shit the fuck.
Yeah,
Sorry,
I walked
Kilo,
out.
shady as fuck
I heard
killing
two
the
shots, so I
AFKs.
just thought that you did both.
Yeah, I missed the first one.
I'm not gonna lie, I put in a lot of work with just one fucking container to do the rice, the thing. Oh,
Oh, I almost killed someone because the bomb was right there.
What already did I?
Where do you get a gun? Not that I'm the bad.
oh, open.
There we go.
Perfect.
Don't mind me, just an Asian with rice.
You're good.
Dude, take the rice to the position.
It's over here.
What
We
kind of
got
rice
black
do we
rice
need?
and brown rice. Black rice and brown
I
rice.
got rice. Where do we put the rice?
On top of
Oh.
the over here.
Alimentation. I'm going the wrong way.
No, it's not me, you shitter fuck.
C4 detonator.
Are there any batteries in here?
It's all bit hot.
Where's this? The no, that one's good. What are you doing over here? What task do you have that brought you over here?
I have no clue what I'm doing.
Oh my god. You're fucking sus.
So David?
Yeah, tried shooting me.
Huh?
David tried shooting me. I think that.
Ooh.
Someone just died.
Yeah, David tried killing me.
Oh, that's
David?
fucking sus.
Yeah, he tried killing me.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did he though?
Yeah, like this.
Oh shit! Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
You're gonna need these.
Help! It's Kilo! Help, guys! It's Kilo! Guys, it's Kilo! Help! It's Kilo!
Who is
Where is he?
It's Kilo!
Where is he?
Well, where the fuck is
Where
he?
is he?
He was chasing me. He was
Kilo.
chasing me. Holy fuck!
All right, let's go ganking. 4-man gang.
Someone was hiding fucking packages of batteries. That wasn't falling off.
Yeah, it was probably Kilo.
Kimoni!
No, what?
Wait, who was it?
Matt!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You killed Kilo!
I didn't kill
That was
Kilo.
so good.
You killed me in the back when I was on tab. You
I
fucking
threw Kilo under the
You're
bus
weird.
to further us.
Listen, Kirby making out I was the bad person.
It was genius. It worked out.
Keep doing work.
Yellow and red.
What do we got? What's next?
We need one
one
yellow,
here?
one red. I got
I don't
yellow
have
and
the
red.
gloves. I'll clean that if you want to finish this.
Well, these both have to go at the same time. If you get one
I
yellow,
meant
one
this.
red. No, take this, take that. Oh, unless you can't.
No. Wait. Huh?
Yeah, because we need. I'm doing the yellow and red, and then one yellow, one red. So this is
Alright.
the double. right, I'll take this. We're good. We're good.
Okay.
Let's go.
And then what do you want me to grab? Tell me what to grab.
All right.
I killed David. I killed David.
Wait, why'd you kill David? Wait, Kim's running around left. I just saw White running down a hall with a gun in his hand.
I'm scared.
If we die.
All right, let's go. Yellow and red.
Hey, Fred.
Oh
Hey.
my god.
I got yellow. You get red. Right there.
I'm protecting.
You better. Well, how about you help with Pat too? Are we combining or no?
No. Solo.
Okay. Oh, period. We're done. Like sus as fuck. We have pizza sushi? Oh fuck, thank god. We have computers.
All right, we're done.
Okay.
Do we need these for anything else? No, delivery.
We have delivery and computer.
Watch out, Ken's got a gun.
Maybe.
Why did Kim kill David though? Get the new computer. Oh my god.
I'm trying to find the package. I'm trying to find it. It's got to be hidden.
Walked all the way to cameras with the package. Started chasing me from storage, from cameras with the package.
Wait, they fucking hid packages. Look for packages. Look for packages.
He told me the whole time. I put the package away. Okay, listen, I'm telling you.
I found a package. Somebody hit it. Hey, I found a package. I found a package. Somebody hit it over there in the corner.
Wait, what
is on the
package was it?
What package is that?
Tool. It's
Is that
tool.
cameras?
No, tool.
Okay.
Over here.
Find it?
I found a package.
The one David had in his hand. David had that one in his hand. I just caught him fucking trying to hide another one. That's what it was. No, fuck David.
There we go.
All right, just computers.
Ass rat.
Computers.
Oh, fuck off. Hey, who did what?
You black.
Where's the computer restaurant?
You're not here.
Okay, stay right here. I'm gonna go to the I'm gonna go computer 2 and we complete this.
It's
Hold
already
on.
ready to go. It should be ready to
Yeah, but you need to
Oh,
go
so
back
we-
and forth.
So somebody already know for the second one.
No. It automatically declines sometimes.
Oh.
Okay, we need somebody in the botanic one.
You guys?
Yeah?
Are we just gonna ignore this body?
I got things to do, places to be, you know. Oh, it's blue! Help, it's blue! Help! Help, it's blue! Oh, she's dead. you dumb fuck! You dumb fuck! Oh my god, I can't believe you! Fuck you! Hello? Somebody?
Do it! Go do it!
But no,
Go do it.
go to the restaurant. I already pressed it. Okay.
It's waiting for you. It's waiting for you.
Well, I was waiting for someone. Also, she tried killing me.
Every time I
Tess
get
is actually
dissident,
an RDMer.
every
RDMer,
time I get
literally this
dissident,
bitch.
I can't
No,
walk down
bitch,
the
I had a
so
medical
stuck
package
beating
and I
up
put it
with
in the
glass.
No, David, you had the package. You walked
Not
all
even
the
a
way to camera.
screwdriver I could find.
The package.
No, David, no. There's no
No.
way you're
Me.
trying to play. No, listen.
No,
listen.
this bitch RDMer as fuck.
Were you bad? Were you bad?
What?
See you on
That's
corn
not,
drive, bitch.
that's not the
See you on
fucking
corn
point,
drive.
bitch.
Were you
That's not the
bad?
point.
I caught
You did
you.
not have
You
fucking
did.
TV, you
I
should
caught
have
you.
fucking cop.
Okay, no, listen. I'll tell you what David did, why he's caught red fucking handed, okay?
Let me
David
know, let me
walks
know.
from storage with a package all the way to cameras, okay?
I
Then
didn't watch
David
cameras.
follows
I was
me.
in the
He
middle.
walks-
I was
standing
watched from
at cameras,
pressure to
and
the
David
middle.
was heading towards cameras, okay?
What
Shut up, let me fucking talk. Just because you're yapping don't mean you're right.
No,
I'm
bitch,
telling
you're a
telling
sinner.
them,
Fuck you.
No, you're mad because I caught your ass and fucking
No,
killed
you're
you,
already ever, bitch. Fuck
Shitter
you.
fuck, shitter fuck,
I'm killing
shitter
you
fuck,
every
easy
round,
cut.
bitch. That's
New
not
game,
that much.
new
Even if
game,
I'm good,
shitter,
you're
new
done.
game, shitter, new game,
Domestic,
shitter, new
domestic,
game,
domestic.
shitter fuck, shitter
New
fuck,
game.
You
fuck,
better
shitter.
Holy fuck. I'm the employee.
And this is
When did you get in here, Archon?
Don't worry about it.
Hey! I got you snuck in. Good shit.
I'm about to pop it up in this bitch.
We gotta do
Think I didn't see that?
Go do pressure hose.
What did we just kill
Somebody's mad as fuck already.
Someone is dead.
Wait, this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
I'm doing pressure.
Girl, I told you to stay out of the way.
No, it's Cam. It's Cam. It's Kilo. It's Cam and Kilo. It's Cam and Kilo.
Reality is it's probably neither one of you fuck.
I didn't do anything.
Wherever you're going, I can sense it.
Oh, hey.
He's dead.
Who killed them all?
Fucking-
Wait, who killed him?
Yeah, I'm grabbing a
What'd you
drink. I'll be
say?
right back.
Oh yeah, bitch. Come here, bitch.
Wait, who is that? Who is
I'm
that?
good, bitch.
You?
No, David is just fucking dumb.
How am I
David
that
is-
damage? I walked in here and everything.
JJ, you died because you walked in while I was doing pressure. That's why. You can't walk by the machines when they're being done. That's the problem. Okay, Angie's bad.
Every round I'm dissident, I get killed by something.
Yeah, you'll learn. You gotta figure out what all the stuff does. It's Archon. It's Archon and Angie, I'm pretty
it's
sure.
gotta be blue. And someone hit the blue one.
It's
Which one?
Archon and Angie,
It's gotta
for
be
sure, I
blue, and
think.
Someone hit the blue one.
No, it's
Kirby, how did you die?
No shot.
Wait, no, oh wait, it was Curvy because he tried to kill me, that's right. So it's
No, it's me and
Kirby?
David.
I will do it.
Wait, it was you and David?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this bitch got to kill me for free. And this bitch got to kill me for free. Because... And Angie doesn't know how to do the pressure. Fuck off, man. So wait, why was Curvy fucking just beating my ass in the back? Like, what? What did Kirby just fucking kill me?
It wasn't no Kirby.
No, it was JJ and David. Kirby just fucking beat me down. Like a damn psycho. This is some bullshit. Holy fuck.
Oh, shit.
No, David literally got caught. Like, literally caught the gate round before. And he's mad because
Let me
I caught
explain,
him.
Kem. You were third impostering, bitch. I know you don't know how to do the pressure. You said the tap, 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 boom. Okay? And then Pink died because of you.
I was screaming when I was doing pressure. What do you mean?
Yeah, just excuse me, sorry, coming through, excuse me, sorry. Okay? I know you, Kem.
There's no way. No, I was doing the pressure. I was third impostering. What do you mean? I was doing the pressure.
Sus.
How was me doing this? Sus.
I've never seen you willingly do pressure.
Oh, that's
Yeah, okay, God forbid I want to do a different task for one game, you know. God,
Yeah,
Jesus, my bad.
sus.
Shut the fuck up.
I hit David.
I'm gonna kill him. There he is.
Holy fuck.
Hey, David carries.
David! Fucking psycho!
Go next, go next, go next, go next, go next.
Fucking lobby, you bitches are
Go
not about
fucking
it.
next, go
Are you
fucking
going to
next.
sleep or what? Fucking engineer, fuck. Oh wait, not you. This one. You got one more? Okay.
Go.
Okay, everyone I clapped up in the group. Okay.
Ooh, scanner!
Something in here.
Scanner! I need to go scanner.
Or the press.
Okay, help me. I'm trying to do it solo.
Holy shit. Left, tiny bit. Left. Stop. Up. Up. Yep. Go down. Yep. Right. Right. Stop. Ooh. Go back. Left. Stop. Left. Stop. Down. Left. Stop. Up. There we go. Yep. There we go. Right. Right. Stop. Left. Stop. Up. Stop. Left a tiny bit. Tiny bit more. There we go. Down. No.
Oh, you scared me.
Shit. Down. Stop. Right. Stop. Oh, go back. Up. Right a tiny bit, like a smidge. There we go. And then I think you're right. 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 No, left. Stop. Oh, stop. Right. Up. Yep. Right. Tiny bit. Oh. There we go. Oh, right a tiny bit. There we go.
All right, we're done. Delivery and Pazushi. All right, what do we need?
What is this? Why is David's body?
That's a dead David.
They wouldn't show us his other hand.
Is that the right one?
Well, yes, this one is. Someone else fucked it up before.
Oh god.
We need to
Someone
find the
come with me,
last
clean a glass.
package.
Wait.
Oh.
I'm about to find out if it's Archon. I know where this bitch hides stuff.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find the package. There's one
It's already
package left.
done.
Okay.
Already done.
And it's Pazushi.
Let's go.
Oh, hold on. Ooh.
Okay, Kev, this is what happened. I go and clean one of the things.
I trust her. I trust her. I trust you. I trust you.
Okay.
Okay. And then
What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? What do we need?
Where's Archon?
Listen.
Oh, we need someone deliver that. It's the brown rice one. This one's wait, that might be no, that might be wrong.
Well, we're about to find out. That's wrong.
Okay.
Okay.
That's right. Okay. We need whatever color red. We need red.
White rice, tuna, red. Wait, do we have containers?
Yeah, they're dirty.
This one's
though.
dirty.
Here. Yeah. We only have
okay.
dirty ones.
All right.
What's the next container? Where's the other container?
I have both. Oh. Red.
Kirby?
Yeah. Oh, you're scaring me. All right, so I have the red
Is that
right
red?
here, and then
red,
and then I have the empty container for the rice.
Well, we already.
Wrong way.
We just need a red. No, just